everyone, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today's video is the Hobby Lobby fall clearance. So the fall decor was 80% off. I'm gonna start off with that, okay? First item is this wheelbarrow. Okay, this was $19.99, so I paid $4 for it. Cannot wait to decorate for this next year. Put some pumpkins and some leaves and greeneries, and it could sit on your countertops or even a dining table. Okay, next is this garland. It's huge. This garland was $59.99, so I paid $12 for it. You could use this as a tablescape on the table or make a wreath. Okay, next is these little cupcake stands. They're in like a teal green right now, but I'm going to spray paint it white. These were $8.99, so I paid $1.80 for each of them. I love the edges. You can put this in the bathroom or next to your kitchen sinks, and maybe put like a soap, or if you're decorating for Christmas, a little bottle brush tree, and if you're decorating for fall, maybe a pumpkin. Possibility is endless. I love this little thing. Next is these candle pedestal. I only grabbed 2. I saw 4. I should have grabbed all 4. I don't know what I was thinking. These were $19.99, so $4 each. Look how pretty. You can do so much with this right now. Right now it's actually sitting under my pew bench on my entryway. Okay, next is these pillows. I grabbed 2 of them. They were $49.99, so I paid $10 each for them. Okay, and the last thing for the fall decor 80% off was this picture. It's white. I'm using this right now. It's currently sitting on my dining table. I added some lamb ears and the frosted berries and cotton stems. These are all from Hobby Lobby. And this was $13.99, so I paid $2.80 for it. Okay, now on to the tableware. The tableware are 90% off. There were like so many paper plates, but I didn't need paper plates, and tablescape, but I don't need those either, so I didn't grab those. I only grabbed the ones that I really liked and could use. First off, these mugs. So I got 5 of them. I have 2 in this pattern and 3 in this pattern. They're really nice and thick. They make great teacher's Christmas gift. I'm thinking about putting a gift card in here and wrap it up. These were $9.99, so $1 each. Okay. Next is these name card. They're in pumpkin pattern. I also grabbed 8 of these because I have 8 settings on my dining table. I'm going to spray paint this white. So pretty. I think I could get away with using this year-round too, but we'll see. Next is these buffalo checked plates. I also grabbed 8 of this. I'm thinking about using this right now on my dining table, because right now the place on my dining table is all white. So I'm thinking putting this in between the bigger ones and the smaller one. I think I'm going to use this year round too, because this pattern is really nice and neutral. It's not like really bright, so I think I can get away with that using year round. Just change out the decors. This was $4.99, so 50 cents each. And the name card, $2.99, so 30 cents. Last things are these salt and pepper shaker. They are in like a half wood and half galvanized, what do you call this? Like a carrier, a crate. It's so pretty. This was $12.99, so I paid $1.29 for it. You could actually remove the lid and put like floral or greeneries and add it to anywhere, like a tea tray even. I love this little thing. It's so cute. And it comes with like two little hooks, two handles too. Isn't that cute? This crate is so cute. I think it's called a crate. Okay. And that is it. I only grabbed a few items from the fall decor and the tableware. Let me know if you found any of these fall items at all. Each year I try not to buy so much. You know, if I already have something, then I wouldn't buy it again next year, you know. So I just try to collect little things each year, because it could get really overwhelming and, you know, you can run out of storage to store them. But yep, thank you so much for spending a little time with me today, and let me know in the comment below if you found any of these. I will see you in my next video. Thanks again. See you guys. Bye.